Abu Ma'ruf again.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I forgot to ask you something.
No problem.
Is it essential in Ramadan for Taraweeh, for the Imam, to finish the whole Musab Quran in the 13 juz? Is it necessary?
Okay, any more questions?
Because in the subcontinent, people, they go to pray for 10 days. They say daily 3 juz, and 10 days Quran is over. Khalas, my Taraweeh is finished. I don't want to pray again.
Okay.
Maybe I will go or not. It's not necessary. I told them, no, it's not necessary to finish the Quran. You have to pray the Taraweeh for 30 days. It's better. It's a good sawab. That's all I want to ask you.
I will answer you, inshallah.
Appreciate. Thank you.
Abu Ma'ruf's question is clear. Lots of the masjids, including the Haramain in Mecca and Medina, recite 1 juz' per night. And this is something that is recommendable. It was recommended by the Prophet ﷺ when he instructed Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, to finish the Quran once a month. And this is done by reciting 1 juz' per night. So Taraweeh of Ramadan is like any other month. It is highly recommended to pray with 1 juz'. But is it a must? The answer is no. Is it a prerequisite? The answer is no. Is it logical that we finish it in the first 27 nights until so-called Laylat al-Qadr, and the other 3 nights of the favored 10 nights of Ramadan, we do not pray at all because we finished the Quran? This is illogical. And this becomes an innovation. This has no basis to it. But it is recommended to finish it once every night, that is 1 juz', so that you finish the whole Quran once a month at least. I know people who have finished their 3rd juz', their 3rd recitation of the Quran since Ramadan began. And some are in their 4th and maybe more. So this is a field for trying to gain more and more reward. Having said that, one has to be really careful. As we've stated in our first segment, when we talked about priorities, is it the quality we want or the quantity? Is it pondering upon the Quran, reading it, enjoying it, feeling its sweetness, having it touch your heart directly? Or is it like the Ferrari Imams? And what is this? The Shaykh from 0 to 60 in 2.1 seconds. It's a new Tesla. What is this? This is not the Quran that Allah ordered us to recite. So people focus on quantity rather than quality, and this is wrong. If I were given the choice to finish the Quran or to hear 1/3 of the Quran or even 1/4 of the Quran throughout the whole month of Ramadan, but in a nice, slow recitation that I can relate to and comprehend, definitely I would take the latter. The quantity is not of that great essential. I can do that on my own time, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.